Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Telegram with N8N. First, go to the N8N website or open the N8N app on your computer. Now, click on Add First Step to start a new workflow. Now, search for Telegram in the search bar and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of available triggers and actions for Telegram. These let you send messages, get user info and more. Then, click on Send a Chat action to proceed. Now, click on Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Here, you need to enter your access token. You can get this token from Botfather on Telegram by creating a bot. Then, in the base URL, you'll find the Telegram API link. Now, click on Save to connect your Telegram bot to N8N. Next, click on Operation and choose an action like get administrators, get member, etc. based on what you want to do. Then enter the chat ID. This is the unique identifier for the Telegram chat or group you want to use. After that, enter the title or name for this action to help you recognize it later. Now, go back and double check all the details. Your Telegram bot is now connected to N8N and you can use it to send messages, get user info, and automate chat tasks. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.